Bravo! Delta! Echo!
Here's another drill you can do with a rifle, subgun, or pistol. If you have any boxing experience or if you've ever seen Rocky, you'll recognize a slipline drill. But for our purposes, the similarity is going to stop there at the looks. Slipline training in boxing is mostly about the head and getting your feet back into the correct position after every transition. But for us, this is really about clearing an obstacle and getting the rifle back on target. Set up 2 targets, one on each side of your rope. We're using the Mission Spec RTCA targets because they have very small targets and have multiple targets on each page that the RSO can call to the shooter. This adds a cognitive function that should not be underestimated. Always engage the target that is across the rope. That means you'll be shooting to your right, then left, then right, and so on. You can attack this drill with whatever ferocity you wish, but you'll notice how I start to slow down about the time of my second reload. 2 reasons for this. I'm getting tired, and those small targets are getting further away. If your fundamentals are not set in stone, then you will see them break down most likely in this drill. If you're just starting out, you might not want to move forward and back, just side to side. So try it out, if your range will allow it, and post back how it went.
1 Alpha! Bravo! Charlie! 4 Mike! Delta! Charlie! Mike! 6 3 2 Bravo! Delta! Echo! Alpha! 4 5 Mike! Charlie! Alpha! 3 1 Echo! Delta! Mike! Bravo! 2 1 One more step. 3 5 Mike! 1 Cease fire.